Step Easy Spinach recipe. We put our cooker on. We're gonna have olive oil. Your oil needs to be hot. Just chop your onions. Doesn't need to be very thin slices. You can just keep them as a big chunks. In our olive oil. When your onions start to get softer, we're gonna add our washed fresh spinach. Quite a lot, but when they cook, they shrink quite a lot. You can slowly mix them, then you can add the rest of your spinach. We're gonna add salt. Black pepper. Fresh black pepper. We have 2 different types of chili. If you don't like chili, you don't have to add them. And we have the flakes with the seeds in it. And then we have Turkish chili. You can add as much as you like. In Turkey, we like to serve our spinach with yogurt. If you're in the UK, it's Greek yogurt and type of Greek yogurt. And we have our spinach. And you can serve with your yogurt. And you can always add some garlic, fresh garlic, which I will just grate my garlic. I don't need to peel it. If you can just grate it, your skin will stay out, so you can never get your skin into your garlic. Little bit black pepper, and your spinach is ready. Enjoy it.